Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English Learning Podcast. I'm Jason, your host.
And I'm Julia, your co-host. Hi, everyone. We are so happy to see you here today.
Yes, today we have a very exciting topic. We are going to talk about your Power Day in 2026.
That's right. A Power Day is a day when you feel your best, you're most confident, and you're most productive.
Exactly. Imagine a day when you wake up feeling full of energy. Everything you do feels easy and enjoyable. You feel confident, happy, and strong. That is your Power Day.
And the best part is you can create your own Power Day. It can be a day when you reach your goals, learn something new, or just feel amazing about yourself.
Yes. Today, we will talk about how to plan your Power Day, what habits help you feel strong, and how to avoid mistakes that can make your day difficult.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to create your Power Day in 2026, and we will give you some exercises to practice.
So, get ready. Take a notebook or your phone, and let's start planning your best day ever.
Are you ready? Let's go!
So, Julia, before we plan our Power Day, let's talk about what it really is. What do you think?
Well, Jason, I think a Power Day is a day when you feel strong, happy, and confident. Everything you do feels easier, and you feel like you can achieve your goals.
Yes, it's a day when you have energy, your mind is clear, and you feel positive about yourself.
Exactly. For example, imagine you wake up early, have a good breakfast, do something you love, and finish your tasks quickly. That day feels amazing, right?
Yes, that's a Power Day. It's not just about doing a lot. It's about feeling good while you do it. Your mind, body, and heart are all working together.
And everyone can have a Power Day. It doesn't matter if you are a student, a worker, or learning English like our listeners. You can create a day where you feel your best.
That's right. And today, we will give tips and steps so you can make your own Power Day in 2026.
Yes, Jason. Imagine a day when you feel confident, happy, and proud of yourself. That's the day we want to help everyone create.
Julia, now that we know what a Power Day is, let's talk about why it is important. Why should we try to have Power Days?
Great question, Jason. A Power Day is important because it gives you energy, confidence, and motivation. On these days, you can do more and feel better about yourself.
Yes. Think about it. When you have a good day, you are more productive. You finish your tasks faster, learn new things, and feel proud of what you do.
Exactly. And it also helps with your mental health. When you feel strong and positive, you are less stressed and more happy.
Another reason is that Power Days can help you reach your goals. If you plan your day well and focus on important tasks, you can achieve more in a day than on a regular day.
And the best part is, Power Days can inspire other days too. If you have one good day, it gives you motivation for the next days.
Yes. So, a Power Day is not just a day of fun. It's a day that helps you grow, feel confident, and become your best self.
Exactly. And today, we will show you how to create your own Power Day in 2026, step by step, so you can feel amazing every time you do it.
Okay, Julia. Now comes the most exciting part, how to create your Power Day. Are you ready?
Yes, Jason, I'm ready. Let's start with the first step.
Step 1 is planning your day in advance. Before your Power Day, think about what you want to do. Make a simple plan. Write down important tasks, fun activities, and time for rest.
Exactly. Planning helps you use your time wisely. Even just 5 to 10 minutes of planning can make a big difference.
Step 2 is include activities that make you feel strong and happy. For example, exercise, read something inspiring, or do a hobby you love.
Yes, doing things you enjoy gives you energy and motivation. It also makes your day more fun.
Step 3 is positive mindset and self-talk. During your power day, tell yourself, I can do this, or I feel confident. Positive thinking helps your brain focus and reduces stress.
I love this step. Beginners can start with short sentences like, I am ready for today, or today will be a great day.
Step 4 is healthy habits. Eat a good breakfast, drink water, and sleep well the night before. Even a short walk or stretching in the morning can boost your energy.
Yes, small habits like this make a big difference. When your body feels good, your mind feels good too.
Step 5 is set realistic goals. Don't plan too many things. Focus on a few important tasks and complete them. This gives you a sense of achievement.
Exactly. And remember, your power day is about quality, not quantity. It's better to finish a few tasks well than to do many things badly.
So, to summarize, plan your day, include fun and energizing activities, think positively, follow healthy habits, and set realistic goals.
If you follow these steps, your day will feel amazing, and you will have more confidence, energy, and focus.
Julia, we just talked about creating your power day. But can we make every day feel like a power day?
Yes, Jason, even small daily habits can help. You don't need a perfect day every day, but small steps can make a big difference.
Step 1. Wake up early. Starting your day early gives you more time to plan, think, and do important tasks.
Step 2. Start your day with something positive. It could be listening to music, reading a short inspiring quote, or just saying, today will be a good day.
Step 3. Move your body. Exercise doesn't need to be long or hard. Even stretching, walking, or a few jumping jacks can give you energy.
Step 4. Plan small tasks. Write down 3 to 5 things you want to do today. Finish them one by one. Checking tasks off your list gives you a feeling of achievement.
Step 5. Take short breaks. Even 5 minutes to breathe, drink water, or relax helps your mind stay fresh.
Step 6. Practice gratitude. Think about 1 to 2 things you are thankful for today. It helps you feel positive and calm.
Step 7. End your day with reflection. Ask yourself, what went well today? Or, what can I improve tomorrow? This helps you learn and grow every day.
Exactly. Jason, by following these simple habits every day, you can make every day feel like a power day. You will have more energy, confidence, and happiness.
So, it's not just one special day. These habits help you create small power days every day. And over time, your life will change for the better. Julia, we have talked about creating power days and daily habits. But sometimes, even with plans, we feel tired or lose motivation. What do you suggest?
Jason, this is normal. Everyone has difficult days. That's why motivation and inspiration are important. Even a small story or example can make a big difference.
Exactly. Let me tell you a short story. Last year, I met a friend who wanted to improve his English. At first, he felt nervous and didn't know where to start, but he decided to create a small power day every week.
What did he do, Jason?
He planned a few simple activities. Practice speaking for 15 minutes, listen to English podcasts, and write down new words. After a few weeks, he felt more confident, motivated, and happy. He saw real progress, and it inspired him to do more.
Wow, that's a great example. It shows that even small steps can lead to big changes. Everyone can create their own power day, no matter their situation.
Yes, and here's another tip. Visualize your power day. Close your eyes and imagine a day when you feel confident, energetic, and successful. Picture yourself completing tasks, learning new things, and feeling proud.
That's right. Visualization helps your brain prepare for success. When you imagine your perfect day, it's easier to make it happen in real life.
So remember, motivation doesn't have to be big. Small stories, positive examples, and imagining success can give you the energy to create your power day in 2026.
Exactly. And today we will show you more steps and exercises so that you can plan your own amazing day and feel inspired every day.
Julia, we have talked about creating power days and daily habits. But sometimes people make mistakes that stop them from having a great day.
Yes, Jason. Let's talk about a few common mistakes and how to avoid them.
Mistake number 1. Over-planning. Some people plan too much for their day. They write long lists of tasks and try to do everything.
Exactly. And when they can't finish everything, they feel stressed and disappointed. The solution is to focus on a few important tasks and do them well.
Mistake number 2. Negative thinking. Sometimes people say, "I can't do this," or "today will be hard." This makes their day harder.
Yes, the solution is positive self-talk. Say simple sentences like, "I can do this," or "Today will be a good day." It really helps your mind feel strong.
Mistake number 3. Skipping breaks. Some people work too much without resting. This makes them tired and less productive.
Exactly. The solution is to take short breaks. Even 5 minutes to breathe, stretch, or drink water can give you energy.
So, remember, avoid over-planning, negative thinking, and skipping breaks. Small changes can make your power day much better.
Yes, by avoiding these mistakes, you can stay motivated, feel confident, and enjoy your day.
Julia, now it's time for a quick exercise for our listeners. Are you ready?
Yes, Jason, this is exciting. Listeners, take a notebook, your phone, or a piece of paper. We are going to plan your own power day.
Step 1. Think about one perfect day in 2026. Imagine the activities that make you feel strong, happy, and confident.
Step 2. Write down 3 to 5 simple tasks you want to do that day. For example, practice English, exercise, or spend time on a hobby you love.
Step 3. Add one positive sentence to motivate yourself. For example, "I can do this," or "Today is my power day."
Great! You just planned your very first power day. Keep this note and look at it whenever you need motivation.
Exactly. Little exercises like this help you turn ideas into action and make your power day real. Julia, let's quickly summarize what we learned today.
Sure, Jason. Today, we learned that a power day is a day when you feel strong, confident, and happy.
We also talked about steps to create your power day. Plan your day, include activities you love, think positively, follow healthy habits, and set realistic goals.
And don't forget the daily habits. Wake up early, take short breaks, move your body, and practice gratitude.
Finally, Avoid common mistakes like over-planning, negative thinking, and skipping breaks.
If you follow these tips, you can create your own power day in 2026 and feel motivated every day.
Julia, now it's time for our call to action.
Yes, listeners, we want to hear from you. Write in the comments what your power day in 2026 looks like. What activities will you do? How will you feel?
And don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our future podcasts.
Yes, your support helps us create more helpful content for English learners like you.
So, plan your power day, take action, and let's make 2026 your best year ever.